Hello and welcome everyone. Hope you all are safe at your home. This is Sukamal Maiti. Today I am going to discuss how to write editorial letters. It will help you in your board exams and other exams also. So first of all, you have to understand what is a letter. Letter is nothing but a written message. Like right now we write WhatsApp messages, emails, etc. These are the modern versions of letters. But today we will discuss in this class about how to write editorial letters. Okay, so for that we need a board to discuss, but right now I am at my home, so I don't have any whiteboard or blackboard, so I will use a diary to there are two types of letters. One is formal letter, another is informal letter. Formal letters are official letters, means a letter which we write to different government officials like BDO, SDO, DM, SP, etc. Circulars means a letter through which we circulate some messages or notice, you can say. Business letters, a letter which serve our business purposes. Editorial letter means a letter to newspaper editor. And last of all, applications means a letter through which we apply to an employer or to principal, to headmaster, etc. Okay, these are the formal letters. Informal letter means personal letters, that means the letter which we write to our near and dear ones. This is the classification of letters, but this is not our concern today. Today we will discuss about the editorial letters. So for that, for your better understanding, I have written some steps that you can use while you are writing an editorial letter. First of all, you have to write the sender's address and then date, then receiving editor's address, then subject of the letter, then salutation, then body of the letter, then introduction. In body of the letter you have to write it in a three part: introduction first of all, then detail of the topic, and then conclusion. And last of all, you have to write complimentary closing and sender's name, signature, and designation. This is the step by step procedure you have to follow in your examination. But I know it is not enough for your understanding, so I have prepared one example of editorial letter here to show you. First, you will get a question in your examination like write a letter to the editor of an English daily about the absence of Amul milk booth in your locality. You are Shubham or Shobha from Gandhinagar, Mumbai. So from here you can get two things: main the subject of the letter, and then your name. Your real name must not be used in the letter. Okay, and second thing, your address is also given from where you are writing this letter. Here it is written Gandhinagar, Mumbai. Okay, so first of all, you have to write your own address at the left side. Remember, left side, not right side, left side, okay, of the page. Shobha for Gandhinagar, Mumbai. And then as I told you to write date. Date means dated like this, dated 7th April 2020. Okay, then the receiving editor's address, that means the editor, the Telegraph, Mumbai. Okay, then you have to write the subject. Here in this question you can find the subject, the absence of Amul milk booth in your locality. This will be your subject in the letter, and you can underline the subject also. Okay, then salutation means addressing the editor by these words like sir, respected ma'am, whatever you want. Okay, you can write only sir also, because in the body of the letter I have divided the body of the letter in three parts. First, introductory part. Here I have written the introduction of the letter. With due respect, you are giving respect in the first line, so no need to write respected sir. Okay, that's why I started like this. With due respect, I would like to inform you that I am Shobha, a resident of Gandhinagar. In the first line you will say who you are and why you are writing this letter. I am writing this letter to you to raise the issue of absence of an Amul milk booth in your localities. Suppose you don't have Amul milk booth in your locality, that's why you are writing this letter, that you have to mention in the introductory portion. Okay. Second, main body of the letter. Gandhinagar is a thickly populated locality inhabited by mainly by working class people. Unfortunately, there is no Amul milk booth in the locality. The residents face many problems as they have to walk up to 10 kilometers every morning to get milk and milk products. This has also led to black marketing. The situation is very serious. Okay, these are the things I have added. You have to write from your mind, because only one thing is written in the subject, that in the question, that there is no milk booth. But you have to think, if there is no milk booth in your locality, what may be the problems. You have to write those problems in the main portion of the letter. Okay, last. So if you kindly allow me to highlight the issue through your daily, so that the Amul authorities can do the needful, I shall be highly obliged to you. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Shobha. You can notice one thing, that thanking you and yours sincerely portion I have written in the left side. Okay, so from the very beginning I have written everything: salutation, sender's address, editor's address, and last of all the conclusion portions, or you can say complimentary closing or sender's name, that is also in the left side. Okay, so don't write anything at the right side. Okay, right side of the page. That is all for today. So hope you have enjoyed my class. I think it will help you to write good editorial letters in your examination. Thank you. Have a nice day.